Welcome to this video on how to use affirmations to change your beliefs. We all have beliefs that shape our perception of the world and ourselves. These beliefs are formed over time through our experiences, interactions, and environment. While some beliefs can be empowering, others can be limiting and hold us back from achieving our full potential. The good news is that we can change our beliefs, and one powerful tool for doing so is affirmations. In this video, we'll dive deeper into how affirmations work and provide practical tips on how to use them effectively. Let's start by exploring how affirmations work. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself in order to change your thought patterns and beliefs. They work by reprogramming your subconscious mind, which is responsible for your beliefs, habits, and behaviors. Your subconscious mind operates on autopilot and is influenced by your past experiences, emotions, and perceptions. This means that if you want to change your beliefs, you need to change your subconscious programming. Affirmations can help you do that by creating new neural pathways in your brain and reinforcing positive beliefs. To use affirmations effectively, it's important to follow these steps. Identify the limiting belief you want to change. The first step is to identify the belief that you want to change. This could be a belief about yourself, others, or the world. Limiting beliefs can take many forms, such as I'm not good enough, I don't deserve happiness, money is evil, or I can't trust people. These beliefs can hold you back from pursuing your goals and living a fulfilling life. By identifying your limiting beliefs, you can bring them to your conscious awareness and start working on changing them. Create a positive affirmation that contradicts the limiting belief. The next step is to create a positive affirmation that contradicts the limiting belief. Your affirmation should be positive, specific, and personal. Use I statements and avoid generalizations. For example, if your limiting belief is I'm not good enough, your affirmation could be I am worthy and capable. If your limiting belief is I don't deserve happiness, your affirmation could be I am deserving of happiness and joy. Your affirmation should resonate with you and feel true. Repeat your affirmation daily, ideally multiple times a day. The third step is to repeat your affirmation daily. Ideally, you should repeat it multiple times a day, especially in the morning and before going to bed. You can say it out loud, write it down, or visualize it in your mind. The more you repeat your affirmation, the more it will sink into your subconscious mind and become a part of your belief system. Believe in your affirmation. The fourth and most important step is to believe in your affirmation. This is crucial because your subconscious mind will only accept beliefs that align with your current beliefs. If you don't believe in your affirmation, it won't work. You need to cultivate a sense of trust and faith that your affirmation is true. This can be challenging, especially if you have been holding on to a limiting belief for a long time. But with practice and patience, you can start to shift your mindset and embrace a new belief. Here are some additional tips for using affirmations. Use present tense. Your affirmation should be stated in the present tense, as if it is already true. This will help your mind believe that your affirmation is already happening. Visualize your affirmation. Visualize yourself already living the reality you desire. See yourself feeling happy, confident, and successful. Use positive emotions. Feel the emotions associated with your affirmation. Affirmations are a powerful tool for changing your beliefs and improving your life. By following these steps and tips, you can use affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind and manifest the reality you desire. Remember to be patient and persistent, as it may take some time for your beliefs to change. With practice, affirmations can become a natural and effective part of your daily routine. Join us to unlock the power of manifestation and start creating the life you truly want. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you all the best in changing your beliefs.